Self-driving cars, once the stuff of science fiction, are now inching closer to reality. Picture it, you're sipping your morning coffee, catching up on the latest cat videos, while your car smoothly navigates the rush hour chaos. Blissful, right? But hold on to your steering wheel, folks, because the road to full autonomy is filled with more twists and turns than a roller coaster. Let's dive into where we are now and what obstacles we need to dodge to get to our autonomous utopia. The current state, where we are now. As of today, the world of autonomous vehicles is buzzing with innovation. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are testing their self-driving cars on public roads with varying levels of success. We've got cars that can change lanes, park themselves, and even take you on a cross-country trip. Almost. But like a teenager with a learner's permit, they still need some supervision. Most of these cars are classified as level 2 or 3 on the autonomy scale, which means they can handle some driving tasks but require a human ready to take the wheel at any moment. The tech behind the magic. How do they do that? At the heart of self-driving technology are sensors, cameras, radar, and LiDAR. That's light detection and ranging for those of you who don't speak geek. These gadgets work together like a team of super spies, gathering data from the car's surroundings and feeding it to the onboard computer. The computer then processes this information using complex algorithms and artificial intelligence to make split-second decisions. It's like giving your car a brain, except it doesn't get distracted by text or an irresistible urge to pick its nose at red lights. The roadblocks. What's holding us back? Technological hurdles. First up, technology. While we've made tremendous strides, our autonomous buddies aren't perfect. They struggle with little things like heavy rain, snow, and unexpected obstacles. Things a human driver would usually handle with ease. Imagine your car trying to interpret a construction worker's hand signals. It's like watching someone trying to understand interpretive dance at a mime convention. Legal speed bumps. Laws and regulations are playing catch-up with technology. Right now, different places have different rules, making it a bit of a wild west out there. In some states, autonomous cars can roam free, while in others, they're about as welcome as a skunk at a garden party. We need a unified legal framework to ensure these vehicles can operate safely and consistently everywhere. Ethical dilemmas. Picture this. An autonomous car faces an unavoidable accident. It has to choose between hitting a pedestrian or swerving into a tree, potentially harming its passenger. Who should it decide? This is the kind of moral pickle that makes philosophers and engineers alike scratch their heads. The future. What lies ahead? So what does the future hold for autonomous vehicles? Despite the hurdles, the outlook is promising. As technology improves, we'll see more Level 4, high automation, and Level 5, full automation vehicles on the road. These cars won't just drive themselves. They'll be able to handle all driving tasks, without any human intervention. Picture calling your car to pick you up, like you would an Uber, but without the awkward small talk. We are also likely to see more integration with smart city infrastructure. Traffic lights, road signs, and other vehicles will communicate with your car, creating a seamless, efficient traffic flow. Think of it as a giant citywide game of Tetris, but with fewer blocks and more, well, cars. Conclusion: keep your seatbelt fastened. The journey to a world of fully autonomous vehicles is a thrilling ride. While we're not there yet, each technological advance brings us a step closer. We just need to navigate the legal and ethical potholes along the way. So the next time you see a car cruising down the road without a driver, don't panic. Instead, give it a wave. After all, it might be your future ride to work, or your escape from it. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. The future is just around the corner, and it promises to be one heck of a ride. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.